Hi, this is Nolan from Benchmark, and in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to use the 3D view option inside of FieldGenius. So what I've got here is my main map screen, and I'm going to click on kind of the globe with the arrows in the X, Y, and Z direction. What that's going to allow me to do is manipulate the screen so I can see how my points are aligned. And if I turn on my point database here so I can see my surface, it'll make things a bit clearer. But what this allows you to do is if you're doing a lot of topographic work or you have big elevation changes or you want to see if there is a slight incline, you can use the 3D view to kind of manipulate it and make sure you're in the right plane and that everything is making sense spatially. But for now, that is everything in today's video. That is how you use the 3D view tool inside of MicroSurvey's FieldGenius to view how your points are spatially oriented. And if you have any questions about anything in today's video or any questions about anything you've seen on this YouTube channel, please give us a call at 1-888-286-3204 or visit us on the web at bench-mark.ca.